Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I have conducted a floral workshop for 1 hour, and in this workshop I explain how students can achieve floral flowers and detailings to construct a perfect floral flower. आज की वीडियो में हम ये बताएंगे कि हमारी फ्लोरल वर्कशॉप में हम स्टूडेंट्स को किस तरह से सिखाएं और किस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स सीखे या समझे कि कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फ्लोरल फ्लावर कैसे होगा, हाउ द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फ्लोरल फ्लावर इज डन. So we started our floral workshop with an overview of shapes of petals, types of buds, types of baby petals, shading, highlighting, leaves and bunches. I did not get a chance to create bunches because we had only 1 hour, but yeah. So from there we dived into the deep and into the most essential part of construction of floral flowers. We have learned the rules and regulations, how the sizes of the floral flower should be. It should be of 2 inches and the shape should be, there are different shapes to construct a floral flower. Some flowers are circular in shape, some flowers are U shape in shape, and some flowers are flat shape. From there we learned how the rules, how the sizes of each bud should be, and the shape of the flower should be, and the size of the petals should be, and overall how it can turn into 2 inches in size. And we have also learned rule number 2, where how exactly you can arrange your petals, 3 above, 2 below for circular flowers. And then we have learned how you can arrange your petals in a best professional technique to construct it perfectly. So you can start your first petal from the center, second left, third right, fourth left, fifth right. In this way you will achieve a perfect sizes for all the sides of your flower. And then we have also learned how you can avoid shoulder support, and then we learned how you can give gaps in your petals and how it makes it look realistic and professional. And rule number 6, not to forget highlighting and shading in your flowers. In this basically we learned how a floral flower is constructed, how the steps are constructed, how you can divide your petals, how you can start off your bud, what size of the bud should be, what size of the petal should be, actually flower का size कितना होता, shape कैसा रहता, और कैसे टाइप के पेटल्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फिर हम लोग सीखे हैं कि डिफरेंट फ्लावर्स रिक्वायर्स डिफरेंट पेटल अरेंजमेंट. हर फ्लावर को अलग अलग अरेंजमेंट रहता है. अगर सर्कुलर है तो 3 ऊपर 2 नीचे रहते हैं. अगर फ्लैट शेप है तो 2 पेटल्स ऊपर 3 नीचे रहेंगे. और अगर यू शेप का फ्लावर रहा तो 3 नीचे 3 अबाव. साइजेस अलग अलग रहेंगे, लार्ज, मीडियम, स्मॉल. नीचे बड़े, ऊपर छोटे, और नीचे 3 ऊपर 3 आधे हिस्से में. इस तरह से हम सीखें. फिर इसके बाद हम सीखें शेप्स ऑफ पेटल्स. कितने तरह के शेप्स रहते हैं, राउंड, हार्ट, लीफ, सॉफ्ट हार्ट. फिर इस तरह इसको 3D पेटल्स कैसे बना सकते हैं, हाउ यू कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म योर सिंपल पेटल्स इनटू 3D पेटल्स, एंड हाउ यू कैन यूज अ हाईलाइटिंग मेथड टू एनहांस द ब्यूटी ऑफ योर पेटल्स, एंड हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू कैन अटैच 2 पेटल्स एंड कंस्ट्रक्ट मोर पेटल्स. आप दो अलग पेटल्स को यूज़ करके कैसा आप उसको अटैच करके एडवांस्ड petals बना सकते. And in the petals only we learned how the cutwork petals can be done. You have to attach 2 different shapes of petals, round and heart, heart and leaf, round and leaf. इस तरह से इसको अटैच करके आप किस तरह से आप इसको सीक्रेट टिप शेडिंग टेक्निक कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए आप शेडिंग के तरीके अलग अलग है. सिंगल शेडिंग, डबल साइडेड शेडिंग. यहाँ पे आप एक दोनों में गैप देना चाहिए ताकि आपके डबल साइडेड शेडिंग थोड़ा सा 3D लगे. ये है सीक्रेट टिप. बट्स अलग अलग तरीके के बट्स रहते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बट्स फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स. हर फ्लावर अलग अलग रहता है. हर फ्लावर की शुरुआत अलग अलग बट से होती है. एवरी फ्लावर रिक्वायर्स डिफरेंट बटिंग टेक्निक. वी हैव लर्न सर्कुलर फ्लावर्स, फ्लैट शेप फ्लावर्स एंड यू शेप फ्लावर्स. इट रिक्वायर्स डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट टेक्निक. And we have discovered how placements creates perfection. This session was not just on drawing a flower, it was about a complete construction. And you did not just learn the strokes, but you learned the logic, you learned the proportions, and you learned the rules and shapes behind a perfect floral flower. And this is what truly changed your henna journey. Not only you will now draw flowers with confidence, for those who have already attended my class will understand how it can transform. And I'm really proud of each one of your progress for enrolling today's workshop and practicing and showing interest. And this is only one day, and what we have built already learned is a strong foundation. And I would say, if you stay connected with practicing, you will learn really harder and better. So there are different types of baby petals. These are circular, these are U shape, and these are flat shape. Every petal are different in shape. One is round, one is hard, one is leaf shape. So all these are round shape petals. If you can see, all these are round, round, round. These are heart shape baby petals. These are leaf shape. So these are circular buds, these are U-shaped buds, these are flat shaped buds. You can use and create all these type of baby petals, round, heart, and leaf, and transform into any flower you want. Here in a U-shaped flower, we have created all shape of baby petals: round, leaf, leaf, round, heart. So this is how we learn how to construct floral flowers. Here we did an example of a floral hibiscus, where exactly we learned how to construct shading, how to do highlighting, how to create bunches, and that's how what we learn in just 1 hour. So I hope with this overview you will also try to understand what exactly we can learn in 1 hour. If you are interested in learning from or enrolling in any of our upcoming workshop, do comment below. We will send you the link. We are planning to conduct a very soon 1-day floral workshop, and this will help you to construct with the perfect sizes and shapes, and you will understand not only a circular flower, but there are many flowers you can start off and many different types of constructions you can do. बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखेंगे आप, कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसा करना है, फ्लावर कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, शेडिंग कैसा करना है, और बहुत कुछ. तो that's it. So this is just a quick overview of what we learned today. So in case if you're willing to learn more professionally and perfectly with the technically with the proper sizes and proportions, हर चीज़ आपको in depth सही तरीके से सीखना है, तो आप मेरे अपकमिंग कोर्स में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, वर्कशॉप में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन कोर्स में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. वी हैव 25 days ऑनलाइन का कोर्स, एंड वी हैव one day many workshops going on. You can follow us on Instagram or WhatsApp. Our contact number is +91 91 000 11480. And that's it. Thank you so much.